नवयुग शिक्षण प्रसारक मंडळ चापोली, संजीवनी महाविद्यालय चापोली, affiliated by Swami Ramantirth Marathwada University, Nanded. Good morning, all the students of class BSc FY, subject Zoology, paper number 4. Name of the paper Developmental Biology, semester 2nd, unit 2nd. In this, the first topics gametes, structure of gametes. Today's topic is the structure of gametes of the frog. Presented by myself, Dr. Thorat Mandakini Manohar, Assistant Professor and HOD of Zoology Department. Yes, student, in the last period, we see the types of eggs. In this period, we see the gametes of frog. Male gametes frog are the sperm and female frog gametes are the eggs. Each gamete contains a single sex chromosome chosen at random from one of the pair of adult sex chromosomes. Male frog have an X chromosome and Y chromosome, while female frog have the two X chromosome. Generally, these male frog gametes, that is male gamete, they to form the sperm, and female gamete, they to form the eggs they produce. Generally, in this figure, we see the structure of ovum. Eggs of frog is spherical in shape and about 2 mm in diameter. It is surrounded by the three membrane, that is the outer jelly coat, middle white line membrane and the inner plasma membrane. The jelly coat is formed of albumin and white line membrane is made up of mucopolysaccharide. The egg's cytoplasm, that is called ooplasm, has the two regions, peripheral cortex and central endoplasm. In this also the figure we see detail, that is the young follicle region of ovum. In this figure, the cortex is granular. It shows the presence of cortical granules and dark brown pigment granules. Cortical granules are arranged in the layer close to the plasma membrane. The endoplasm contains numerous plate-like structure called as yolk platelet. The egg cell contains the eggs shows well marked polarity. On one side is the animal pole containing the nucleus. The polar bodies also containing nucleus. The polar body also occupy the region near the animal pole, whereas the vegetal pole containing nucleus. The polar bodies also occupy the region near the animal pole, whereas the vegetal pole containing the yolk granules. The animal pole appears darker, whereas the vegetal pole is yellowish or the whitish or the lighter in color. As the eggs contain large amount of the yolk, it is also called as megalithecial type of the eggs. As the yolk platelets are highly concentrated at one end, polarity is distinct and hence the eggs is called as teleolithecial eggs. The cell is absent, hence the eggs is non-coeloid eggs. So these are the structure of ovum. Then next is the structure of spermatozoa. Generally, mature spermatozoa of frog is made up of three parts: head region, middle piece region and the tail region. Middle piece region is very small as compared to that of the other sperm. The head consists of acrosome and large nucleus. The acrosome secrete the enzymes which helps in the penetration into the eggs. The middle piece of spermatozoon is composed of almost entirely of mitochondria and the centriole. Centriole helps in the spindle formation during the cleavage. The mitochondrial apparatus supplies the required amount of energy in the form of ATP. The tail of sperm is flagellar and very long. It helps in locomotion and thus is very essential for the mobility of the sperm. And also the figure, see, that is the sperm structure. First is the plasma membrane, second is the outer acrosomal membrane, third is acrosome, fourth is inner acrosomal membrane, fourth is the nucleus, fourth is the inner acrosomal membrane, fifth is the nucleus, sixth is the proximal centriole, 7 is the rest of the distal centriole, 8 is the thick outer longitudinal fibers, 9 is the mitochondria, 10 is the axoneme, 11th is the annulus and 12 is the ring fiber. That is also in the figures 1, 2, 3, 4 up to the 12. That is generally they consist by the main part, head region, neck region, mid piece region, principal region and the end piece region. So generally in the gametes of the frog, male gametes is called sperm, they produce the spermatozoa. Female gamete, they produce the eggs, that is they called the ovum. So in this period we see the structure of gametes of the frog, ovum and the sperm. Next period we see the next topic.